Loves, welcome back. So today's video will be a get ready with me. So make sure to grab your snacks and let's get started. First things first, I will be using these Mia del Mar eye masks and applying these under my eyes to depuff these bags of mine. Next up for eyes, I will be using this brow blade from Urban Decay, using the pencil side to outline my brows, and I will be blending this with a spoolie. I really love doing this and I really like this brow blade. And then next up, I will be going in with the blade side and drawing hairs to fill in the sparse areas of my brows. Now skincare is big for me, so I will be using this Bliss Hydration Salvation and applying this all over my face. Next up, I will be going in with this Urban Decay Primer Potion, and this is going to be our base for our eyeshadows. But first, watermelon break. I'm using this Melt Cosmetics Gemini palette, and I will be blending these colors. I don't know how to explain this, and I don't know if you guys prefer voiceovers as opposed to just silencing the video and you guys watching what I do, but please let me know in the comments below. You guys can visually see what it is that I'm doing, and I'm just adding somewhat of a cut crease, not all the way, but just towards the inner corner of the eye. And then I will be taking the shimmery shade from this palette and using a dense brush and just packing this color onto my lid. So it doesn't look too harshly, I will be blending this seamlessly with a tad bit of black and green and just blending these two colors together so it just doesn't look like I just stamped this green shimmery shade, and just blending this all together. I will be using one of my favorite liquid liners, which is from The Balm, and just creating a cat eye. I will now be prepping my eyelashes using this CoverGirl mascara, preparing them for false lashes, and I will be removing these eye masks. It just felt so refreshing under my eyes. And SPF is very important. I can't stress enough how important this is. I use this mineral sunscreen from Coola, and I let this sit on my skin for a couple minutes before applying my primer. This is my holy grail. You guys already know I love this e.l.f. primer. And then going in with my foundation. Going in with this Milani concealer. Now the tip to having an amazing base is to moisturize. I can't stress enough. Even though it looks like many steps, the end result is amazing. And like I said, I'm just blending this concealer. I've applied the smallest bit of concealer under my eyes, and finally setting this with a translucent powder. I discovered another little gem, and this is from CoverGirl. It's the Peach Highlighter palette, but it comes with a bronzer, blush, and highlight. It's an amazing little palette. Applying this with my favorite Besame Cosmetics blush brush to give it that flawless finish, and just removing this excess translucent powder that I have. And applying some moisturization to my lips and finishing off the eyes with the same colors that I've applied onto my eyelids, and then going in with this gold Milani eyeliner on my waterline, and finally applying these iconic lashes. For lips, I will be going in with this lip pencil in the shade Lolita, and then I will be filling my lips with Foxy from Atomic Makeup. I am in love with this gloss. It smells so good and it's such a beautiful color. It's one of my favorites right now. To set this all in place, I will be going in with this rose water from Pacifica. I love Pacifica's setting mist. And then going on to hair. For hair, I will be doing a simple bun, as you guys will see here.